Hi everyone, it's Susan from Escapes and I'm coming to you from the Dominican. I'm currently at the brand new as in 2 months old, Hyatt Zilara and Ziva. Now Zilara is adult only and right next door is Ziva and it's just within steps. So if you have a family, definitely the Ziva is the section for you, and if you prefer to be with adults only, then Zilara is your section. This resort is 5-star luxury all the way. Welcome to our room at Hyatt Zilara, Cana. This resort has just opened and it is glorious. Plug-ins for your devices, clock radio, phone, queen-size beds, and a welcome glass of wine, which I'm sure we will enjoy. Television and all of your activities are listed on the TV. Workstation, M&M's, Pringles, coffee machine, and a bucket for ice. Now this is the mini fridge, juice, Coke, beer, and water, and this would be stocked daily. Massive deck with a nice couch for sitting and relaxing for your cup of coffee in the morning or a glass of wine at night. There's a restaurant, swim-up suites. So romantic. Fire pits are over there. It's January 10th and it is 30 degrees and spectacular. Look at that pool, doesn't it look inviting? Closets have housecoat, ironing board and iron, safe and drawers, and through here is the bathroom, which is magnificent. It's one of the biggest bathrooms I've seen. Fluffy towels, amenities, blow dryer, makeup mirror, large bathroom, large shower, and waterfall shower head. And there's all the amenities in the shower, your shampoo and conditioner. Our stay at the Hyatt Zilara in Cana is going to be fabulous. Thinking you would like a getaway to Punta Cana, call me, Susan at Escapes, and let's plan your next honeymoon, romantic getaway, fun time with your friends, family vacation, or maybe a destination wedding. They have several options here for weddings. So give me a call, Susan at Escapes. And if you are enjoying my video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more, please hit subscribe.